Howdy folks, I'm Alan Butler with Butler Contracting, and today we're talking about our fence service plans. One of the things that our company offers is a fence service plan, and basically what that is an annual service plan for us to come over to your home and help do some repair needs on your fence and just maintenance and upkeep, general things that might need to be done annually. So what part of our service plan that offers, if there's a few pickets that might be loose on your fence or damaged or rotting, we're going to take care of up to 10 fence pickets and replace those. We're going to do up to 2 fence posts per year as part of the plan to kind of maybe have 1 or 2 posts that might be loose or coming out of the ground or is warped and maybe needs to be replaced. So we're going to take care of those things as part of the plan. We're also going to power wash and clean up to 200 linear feet of fence. If you have more than that, that's okay. We can discuss what that looks like when we come out and get everything scheduled. Might be some additional costs there. We're going to clean and power wash and make sure that that thing is nice and clean and staying protected. And then maybe if you're ready to do some staining and sealing after that, that's great, and we'll protect it. And we do offer anybody that's on our fence service plan 10% off of their staining and sealing and protecting their fence of any other contract that we get for doing that. One of the other great things that we offer in our fence maintenance and fence service plan is gate adjustments and repairs. So the number one call we get about fence repair needs mostly is going to be related to a gate typically. So we offer that in our plan as well, as far as making sure everything's lubricated, it's adjusted, so that way the hinges and the latches and everything are functional. And with the ground and the soil shifting and moving around, oftentimes things start to sag and warp and move a little bit. So coming over once a year and getting that, functional, because it's quite a hassle if that thing doesn't operate correctly. And in addition to that, we're just going to check everything, make sure all the nails and the screws and everything on your fence system is in working and functional order. And if there's anything that we identify that might be an issue or a problem that warrants additional replacement, we'll let you know about that, or if there may be additional repair needs. But in a nutshell, that's basically how it works for our fence maintenance plan. So give us a call and go over if you need something, or go to our website and check out our fence service plans tab. And also we have other service plans as well, home maintenance services, as well as roofing services. So give us a call at 8446-BUTLER or visit our website at butler.contractors. And we look forward to seeing you on your next project.